If we move the point into another new axis, away from the existing 3 dimensions of space, we then create a 4th dimensional object. We cannot see any aspect of 4th dimensional or higher forms, because our human senses are based on perceiving our 3-dimensional world. However, it may be that our subtle organs of spiritual perception could perceive these higher dimensions, or higher planes. This realization, that beings with sense organs for only lower dimensions could only see fragments of higher dimensional objects, was the basis for the concept of flatland by Edwin Abbott. The flatland concept shows how a 2-dimensional being could only see simple 2-dimensional or 1-dimensional aspects of 3-dimensional objects moving through the plane of the world that he perceives. The lesson, of course, is that the same is true for us as 3-dimensional beings. We can only see 3D or lower dimensional sections of any 4th dimensional or higher dimensional objects moving through our world. This flatland concept of our only perceiving small fragments of higher dimensional objects moving through our world opens up new understandings of mysterious spiritual manifestations, of UFO sightings, etc. 5th, 6th, and even higher dimensional forms are also possible and have already been identified in advanced scientific mathematics and geometric studies. When we see these higher dimensional geometric forms on a flat 2-dimensional surface, they appear as a complex grid pattern, the net described in the ancient traditions. So if we add another point to the preceding series of dimensional images, a new point which would now be in the 4th dimension along an axis shift not perceivable by a 3-dimensional person, this would create a 4th dimensional form of which we would only see a shadow of it in our dimension.